Hey, Ken here at Waters Garden Center with today's 30-second plant tip of the day. And aspens, a new crop of aspens just came in. Now it's hard to find aspens. Most aspens are grown, just dug out of the wild, and they're kind of mangy looking. If you get them field grown, take a look at this. See if I can zoom out on these things. These are magnificent rows of aspens, many of them. These are standing maybe, I don't know, 12 feet tall or so. They're above the road level. And how much are those going for? Those are a large size, $149. Got on average four trunks. And another cue, they have that classic white bark. As this bark matures, it will actually get whiter and whiter. As it puts on layers of bark, it becomes paper white. So as they're young, they're white, but not as white as when they get older. But let me show you this. Really exciting. The largest aspens I've ever had here at the Garden Center. Take a look at these. These are ginormous. These are standing, 25 feet tall, and the trunks on them are huge. They're down here. Look at those trunks. Now you can see it's starting to get whiter and whiter. So this is a 35-gallon bucket. I could move it around myself. It's a little heavy. You might want to have the crew here at Waters plant it for you, or have some young bucks to help you at the other end dig that hole. There you go, aspens, the quaking aspens here at Waters Garden Center.